Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Hey everyone! Let me tell you about this exciting opportunity, the Cap Airdrop. It's already making waves on Twitter and Telegram, and guess what? It's only running for the next 7 days, so time is ticking. Now, here's the fun part. It's very similar to the Dog Airdrop, where a lot of people made serious money just by completing simple tasks. Some folks missed out because they didn't hear about it in time. Don't let that be you this time around. The concept is straightforward. Just like the Dog Airdrop, this one is all about referrals. It's a game of inviting friends. Let me show you how it works. The primary task is to invite your friends using your referral link. You'll see tasks like inviting 3 friends, 5 friends, or 10 friends. Other simple tasks include subscribing to a channel and sharing the airdrop on your story. And that's it. Nothing too complicated, right? The more friends you refer, the more you can potentially earn. Keep in mind, though, I'm not guaranteeing the exact payouts will be like dogs, but the concept is super similar. Since this airdrop ends in just 7 days, it's a limited window to bring in as many people as possible. Use your referral link, you'll find mine in the description or comment section of this video, and start sharing everywhere: WhatsApp, TikTok, Facebook, wherever your people are. The key here is to act fast, get others to join, and maximize your chances of earning. It's easy, and you've got nothing to lose. So, let's get rolling. Don't wait till it's too late. Use the link below, start referring, and let's see how much you can rack up before the clock runs out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Good luck, and happy referring. Bye for now.